To take a screenshot on Windows 7, you can use the following keyboard shortcuts. 1. Entire screen. Press the Windows logo key plus front screen key together. 2. Specific window. Press Ctrl plus Print SCRN, then click the arrow next to New and select Freeform, Rectangular, Window, or Full Screen. And 3. Copy to System Clipboard. Press the Windows logo key plus PRTSCN. You can access your screenshot by pressing the Windows key plus A to open an Explorer window and browse to Pictures, Screenshots. If your keyboard doesn't have a PRTSCN button, you can press FN plus Windows logo key plus spacebar instead. If the print screen button isn't working, you can try updating your keyboard driver. To do this, you can 1. Press Win plus X keys. 2. Select the Device Manager option.